Let's spin a disc.
And we're talking about today the internet, which is something that is very, very, very good. And I know that whoever it is that came with that idea or that invention, it was for a good cause. It's something that is given to us that we have to make use of. The internet is very good. Looking at the internet, there are so many things that you can admire. Internet being as good as it is, that is if we know how to use it. If we don't know how to use the internet, then the internet can become a gateway. Demons can enter into people's lives via the internet. It's a channel. You can really get connected to demons through the internet. And I've seen so many people that got possessed in the process of abusing the internet. Too many demons are being transmitted via the internet. So when you sit there, whatever you do, whether you're posting something, you have to understand that in most of the cases, the moment you begin to abuse, something right away is also being posted into you. There's a demon coming into your physical body, or maybe even into your spirit if you are not born again, and even into your soul via the internet. Not when you are using it properly, but the moment you begin to abuse it, you are exposed to demons. Look at the benefits that we get from the internet. Information is now available. Information is available. You can use the internet in the right sense. It's informative, it's educative. You can ask any question, you can get it from the internet. That's the good part of the internet. But there's the other side of the internet where you don't want to go. There's the negative side of the internet, which if you cross over to that other side, you are exposed to a host of demons. The same internet. So abuse is something that you have to avoid. Anything exposed to abuse can also expose you to demons. So internet has taken away a lot of benefits that we used to have before.